has missed you a lot. Say hi, Bindi. Hello. Oh, isn't she polite? Alright, you can go do what you want now. Right, so I've been on a bit of a hiatus. I know, I'm sorry, I've been depressed. But I'm back now, and I'm back with another baking video. I was kind of struggling to think about video ideas for quite a while because I wasn't quite sure what people would want to see, but then I figured, fuck it, I'll just make the kind of videos that I want to make, and no questions asked. This is Thanks, man. This is exactly what we're gonna need for today's recipe, apple pie.
Right, yes, hello. Today we're going to be baking apple pie. Always remember to wash your hands carefully with soap before baking, because if you don't, I'll find you and I'll flood your house. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to complete the recipe. Now, let's get started. First of all, wash your apples. Core them, de-seed them, and cut them into slices. Next, place your butter in the microwave to melt it. It doesn't have to be there long, and if you hear popping, you're fucked.
Oh shit.
Get yourself a great big bowl and mix together all the dry ingredients. Once they're all mixed, add the buttermilk, butter and the egg. Now mix until smooth. Voila! Your batter is ready. Pour the mixture into a baking tray of your choosing. Note that a tray with a 26 cm diameter works best for this recipe. Gently place the apple slices onto the mixture. This is where your artistic side may come in handy, as you can place the apple slices in all manner of wacky illustration. Me, however, I'm shit at art, so I just placed them in a spiral.
I got way too many apples for this job. Like, look at this. What am I supposed to do with all these? Eat them?
Make sure your apple slices dip slightly into the mixture, and finally, sprinkle some cinnamon and sugar on top. You're ready to put your apple pie baby into the oven. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. No, I won't say if it's Celsius or Fahrenheit, figure it out. Place the apple pie into the middle of the oven and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. At this time, you may want to sing a song to your apple pie for some well-needed encouragement.
Two lovers forbidden from one another, a wall divides their people, and a mountain divides them apart. Built a path to be together. You see this? I'm eating you before you're even a thing. How does that make you feel?
Half an hour later, voila, you have a lovely apple pie. Now eat it. Eat your child. Eat it. Devour it in one fell swoop. Eat.